Hello guys. Ooh, that's better. All right, y'all. So today is Wednesday, January 26th, and yeah, it's just a very exciting day. I actually got up very early this morning, like at 6 o'clock this morning. Went to the gym at like 6. I think I clocked in at like 6:52 or something at the gym. Anyway, I did a nice little workout, and then I went and got a really nice breakfast at my little spot that I love in Brooklyn called Tina's Place. Shout out to Tina. They always treat me really good there. So that was nice, but today is really exciting because today is the first day that I am going into my new apartment since I got the keys yesterday. So, chill. I haven't really been, the most active here on any platform really since I moved to New York because it has just been so stressful and crazy. I have not found really a place that I felt like I could settle in. And so this apartment is kind of the thing that I have been waiting on for this whole time, to just kind of be settled and have a place to be just free and like to myself and be able to create content. So I'm super excited to finally be moving in. I'm not moving in today. I just got the keys yesterday, but I wanted to go in and just clean a lot of stuff because it's not the most updated and nicest and cleanest, but yeah, it's gonna get the job done and it's in my price range, okay? So I'm about to just go in there, got my cleaning products, and I'm about to just do my little cleaning stuff, light a little candle, listen to some music, get the vibe nice and bright. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys around. I will talk to you once I get there because my arm is burning from holding this camera and all this stuff. So I'll see you in a few. Bye. There. We're almost there. These gotta come down. Oof. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let there be light. Wow, the light does so much justice. I just did a whole tour with these like panels over the windows and it was so dark. But now this lighting is, oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I have been living in a basement for the past 3 months with literally a window that's like this size. Like, what? And then to have this? Like, what? Okay. Boobs is out, ooh, ass is out, ooh, hit it. Nah. I'm too excited right now. Let me show you guys around again. Oh, and the acoustics go crazy. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Ooh, girl, can I get a can of paint? So when you first walk in, we got boom, 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 boom. This kitchen area, we got the fridge. This is the beginning. This is the beginning, y'all, okay? And then the little foyer or living room, I guess. I don't even know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of this space right now. And then walk into this room. This room doesn't have any windows, so this is really gonna be my like work / studio space. And then we got the mirror. Got the mirror. That's me. That's me. That's me. Here I go. Here I am. In my apartment. Here I am. In my apartment. Okay. And then got the little brick. Alright, makeup chair that spins. Okay. Okay, so wow. Here we are, guys. I can't believe we made it. So I'm really excited right now. This setting is a little too good. Let me back up. But yes, guys. Look, I can put y'all on top of the fridge. Y'all is on top of my fridge right now. How you doing? Oh my goodness, the fire escape is right there. Bitch, I can literally go out onto the fire escape, hit a low. Okay, anyway, I'm sorry, but So I'm excited. I'm about to clean my life away for the next like 3 hours. I'm not gonna go like too crazy and try to clean every single thing right now, but I'm just gonna clean for like 3 hours. I got a lot of scrubbing and cleaning to do. This is gonna be a bit of a project. The sun is setting. It looks so pretty out. The sky is like pink. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I will show you. Anyway, but you can see how it's like kind of pinky purpley. I love that so much. Good morning, guys. So I hope you guys can hear me. I'm being quiet because it's super early, and well, just my one roommate is still sleeping. Alright, so it's 6:16 a.m. Saturday, January 29th. I'm up because I have a lot of stuff to do today, but I just wanted to show you guys that it is snowing outside. Yeah, this is my view from my basement room, but look at that thick snow out there. It's gonna be snowing all day. Well, not like all day. So it's 21 degrees now. And then we got snow, snow, snow all the way until like 3 o'clock. So I'm excited. I'm super excited. I'm about to get up, take a shower, get a little cute so I can get some cute like snow content outside. This is my second time seeing snow, guys. Being from Florida, like, and I've traveled to like New York and stuff, but it was never during winter where it snowed. But now I'm super excited. This feels like the first time seeing snow again, so I'm just in love with it and obsessed. It's so fresh for me. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is like winter wonderland. Oh my goodness. Look at the snow that is stacked up right here. How am I gonna walk in this? I need boots. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Maybe I shouldn't go out in this. I don't know. It looks like a snowstorm. I mean, it is a snowstorm, but all right, y'all. I had to bust out the umbrella. My umbrella has almost like holes in it. It's so cheap, $3. I don't know how I'm gonna walk in this. Probably not gonna be able to vlog because like, what? Y'all, I really thought I was about to be coming out. Yo, I really thought I was about to be coming out here and getting some cute snow content. Bitch, my feet is in the fucking snow covered. Like, I can't even. Alright, I think I'm gonna continue walking. Even though this is a lot. Oh my goodness. I can't even open the gate. Oh, well, shit. What did I get myself into? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. I saw that the snow was thick, right? But did I think it was like this? No. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is beautiful though. I love this, but bitch, I need some boots. My Converse are getting soaked. This is so pretty. Look at it. I'm like the only one who's crazy enough to come out here. I feel like when you've never really experienced snow, you gotta come out in it, you know? It's crazy. But it's so beautiful. I thought I was about to be mad cute. Take some pictures, some cute video. But here I am, barely can walk in the snow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo. My beard. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is actually cute. I want to take a picture like this. I'm going to put you guys away for now and journey to my apartment. And, oh, I will check back in, in a few. All right, bye. All right, you guys, I made it safely to my apartment. Look, there's still snowflakes in my beard. Look how crazy it is out there. I can't believe I just walked in it, but I'm like, you know what? You know, it's not every day that you can say that you walked in a snowstorm. Like, look at this. I'm loving the snow. Honestly, like, if I had boots and like proper attire, I would be going out there to play. Also, this is what happened to my umbrella. Look, my umbrella. This is what the wind and the snow did. Granted, it's a $3 umbrella that I just got from the local corner store. But still, like, this is a mess. Good morning. All right, y'all. So it is officially moving day. But this is how it is out here after the storm yesterday. So as you can see, it's the snow. It's kind of piled up all over the ground. Roads are a little bit sloshy. It's freezing cold. I think it's like 13 degrees or something like that. I don't know. So I'm excited. Today's moving day. I don't really have anything packed or anything like that because I never really unpacked in the place that I've been. So I just been kind of living out of my suitcases, living out of boxes. So I'm just gonna pack that shit up in the truck and go. So right now it's like 8 o'clock. I have to pick up the truck by 10:30. Hey girl. That sun feels so amazing on my skin. Alright, so I'm gonna do that and I will check back with you guys in a few. Alright guys, so I picked up the U-Haul and I drove all the way to my apartment, the old apartment, and everything was going super smooth, super good. The driving on the little sloshy snow was kind of just like driving on rain in Florida, you know, being cautious. I was driving slow. But now, as soon as I get into the front of my apartment, I'm stuck in the snow. So now I got the shovel to get it out of the snow. But honestly, I'm just glad that it happened right here in front of the old apartment and not like somewhere on the side of the road, because that would be too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shovel this out and then pull it up a little bit more and start loading her up. Alright, so as you saw, Lauren and Jordan came to the rescue. They are here. They helped me get out of that snow trap. So before we start moving, I just want to show you guys my space that I have been living in for the past like 3 months. It's a mess. I'm already telling you, so don't even like, just expect nothing. So this is, look, I'm literally, look at my head on the freaking ceiling, y'all. This right here is where the rats love to hang out and play and rustle around on the plastic. This is the bathroom.
The one light bulb.
Oh, that's cute. You got a comfort with the poo. So
Trying to look like an 8-year-old.
Oh, you actually do look a little child. So cute. All right, and then we got the kitchen. The roof raised a little bit over here. I can stand on my tippy toes and then hit the top. And then this is my space over here.
Oh, damn.
I know.
Oh, and dark baby.
That's my little window that I had with light. You saw how much light that was in here before. That's the most light that it'll get.
Wow.
And just all of my stuff here.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. Saying bye to this beautiful place. Shoveling the snow from the basement door. What? The dungeon, it feels like. No, this is always. Oh, almost. Ah! Ooh. Hey there. trapped down here for ages.
I've been living in this soul for ages.
Let's do this. And we're off. Look, this has a backup camera. This is the most high-tech U-Haul I've ever been in. And I like the fact that this is a van and not a truck, honestly. It's giving me more security. Okay, alright.
Say bye
You don't
to
have
this place.
Bye, there's a lot of places. And this is Santa Maria Park. Or something like that. Maria Hernandez Park.
Oh.
Look at it. That's where I want to go. Take pictures. Yeah. This is cute. So, supermarket. I don't think I'm going to shop there. I got my own supermarket. And this is my street. This is my street. So we finally finished moving everything in. Thank you guys. Of course moving is always stressful and annoying. How many times did I have to move the van?
You moved the van 3 times.
I had to move the van 3 times. People were honking like crazy, catching an attitude.
Because people could have gone around you, but they don't know how to drive, and it's kind of like, you see, I'm moving. So
There's
like,
enough
once I'm
space.
done moving,
No, literally, because there was, even when there was cars parked, when there was cars double parked and I had to go around in the van, I could fit through with no problem. But then bitches want to sit there and honk like they fucking crazy.
it was a lot. And then when he can't go around, then means the smaller cars behind him can't go around blocking.
I swear, it was like blocking off almost the whole main road.
Yeah, it was annoying.
It was annoying. But anyway, the neighbors are nice, most of them, except maybe one of them. But
He just kind of like, because I was coming upstairs with the bed frame, and it was loud. It was like banging together.
I can
And he
fit in the
literally
wall,
came
too.
out. Yeah, he came out and he like looked at me like this, and then he was like, and then he like closed the door, and I was like.
Anyway, I'm just glad we got it done. I need to return the U-Haul truck, so I'm gonna do that, and then just gonna chill and get something to eat. But
Yes. So
I'll talk to you guys later. It's been a long day. All right, bye. All right, y'all. Last thing, really quick. So I ended up just coming back. I'm exhausted. I woke up at 6 a.m. But I just want to show you guys. I came back and the space is so empty now, cleaned out. Like. Wow, this is how it was when I first came to look at it. This was my first, official place in New York that I lived and paid rent for 3 months. So it's kind of, excited to be onto a better, more spacious space. Not even newer, but newer to me, but excited about that. But, a little part of me is definitely gonna miss this place and miss my roommate. He helped me out a lot. We're gonna still keep in touch because he still helps me out a lot. Anyway, so yeah, I didn't want to end the video without showing you guys the cleared out space. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna do another video that's like a 1 week update into the new space, so you can just see how I kind of am a little bit settled. I'm not going to be nowhere near all the way settled, but just do a little update and chat with you guys a little bit more and let you know any updates. So bye, I'll talk to you soon, and thank you for watching. Bye.